How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about a penny stock that has a reverse split tomorrow. It has lots of volume right now. A little bit of time distance away from the EMA performance strategy. So it is a biotech. I think we all, probably a lot of people got in early. I've been telling everyone, we need to wait for these reverse splits. They are really risky. So without further ado, let's talk about stock HEPA. So HEPA has had 78 million volume today. Yesterday they had 161 million volume, and you can see they just had massive, massive volume. You can see we are getting very close to this lower Keltner channel. It is not a negative value, so it could get there, but they are scheduled to do a 1 for 50 reverse stock split tomorrow, okay, on March 17th. So first thing I see first, guys, is we see this gap right in here. I'm gonna label all the gaps. We see gap here. We see a gap here. There's a lot of gap opportunities, right? So what that tells me is, I mean, look at all these gaps. That tells me, hey, we got this gap here, we got this gap between here, and this gap between here. It tells me it's going to take longer to hit the EMA 5. All right, three gaps, pretty big. Um, but we do have lots of volume, which means that we could come to this EMA 5 faster than we think. So how do I look to play this stock? I see that it's extremely oversold to the downside. We have a K value of 3.22. So this is, one of the lowest K values that I see in the market. I see one other that's pretty low too, but this is pretty low. 3.22. We were literally sitting at, I mean, look at this, guys. Just recently, we were way up here in the 22 cents, and we went all the way down to 2 cents. Literally just last month, we were up in the 20-cent region. And then look at this, just way over here, we're way up in this, almost a dollar mark. Obviously, we didn't have much volume there, but there was a lot of volume and demand all throughout here, and it just kept coming down and down. So there's a couple ways I want to play this stock. I'm going to be very picky because if you go to the profile, you're going to see these are one of the most dangerous stocks. All right, so if you go to profile, it's taking a little while to load, but it is a biotech stock. I don't know why it's not loading, but we'll just go back to the chart. So as you can see right in here, this is a biotech stock. So they tend to need more cash. They tend to dilute more, and that's really what I'm seeing right in here. Okay, so we have 4 days away from the EMA 5. Anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in 7 days is long. Usually with these kind of gaps, I would suspect extreme. We're looking at 10 days not touching this would be extreme. So yeah, I'm definitely looking at. I would love to see a lower Keltner channel touch. If it does that, that would be so amazing. I mean, with this kind of volume, we'll see. But expect that reverse split to happen 1 for 50 tomorrow, as you can see in the news here. And we'll see how we'll trade this. If I get a good setup, then yeah, we'll play it in the Discord. I'll alert it. We just got done playing SES, guys. Look at this monster move that we got from the bottom. It was beautiful. You know what I loved about it? Massive volume, big EMA 5 time distance, and I just kept trailing stopping it. Yeah, the EMA 5 was my initial target and just trailing stopping it. We made that in the Discord, all proof there. You can see right in here, guys, and I'm still holding some SES. I posted it right in here. We're going to take some SES right here on March 13th. I pulled out the weekly support. We pulled out the news. All of this is alerted in the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page here. Now, if you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit how to subscribe or click hashtag day trade alerts. Literally everything is going to be only $12 a month. Literally for this promotional discount, if you've never been in my Discord and you're just coming in, you can get a promotional discount for $12 a month, and that is literally 55 cents a day. That's the price of two gumballs coming out of the gumball machine. All right, put two little quarters in. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna be very kind of confused when you come in this day trade channel, but I promise you, everybody understands the strategies. There's lots of education videos. This is more of teach you how to fish. And then obviously you can follow my alerts. I put my day trade alerts here. I'm on a massive win streak on day trades. I post my swing trade alerts. You just saw SES. I was pounding the table all last week for SES, and it's just, it's making us big, massive money. And you'll see it all in here, guys. But Yeah, I hope you guys got value out of the stock HEPA I'm talking about. These are those kind of oversold opportunity bounces that I look for. It's in a downtrend. EMAs are above. I look for low K value. EMA 5 time distance, massive volume. There's a lot of things I have to look for. A lot of people probably got in HEPA, probably really, early. And if you just got in at this 8 cents, it's just you're taking a beating. And this is why I do not buy it at the EMAs. Right in here is resistance. How convenient when price comes to this EMA 5, it plummets down. It even gets close to this 10. Look at this, guys. We get to the 10, the 5 plummet down. Come back up to the 5, plummet down. And we have some time distance. Look at this though. Once you have that time distance, what happens? Price has to revert to the mean. From this low to here, you make a 40% pump. Massive move. You make your money, comes back down, and then what I'm going to look to do is make that move back up to this 5. And that's a 93% pump area. So I'm going to look to play this. It is a biotech. As you can see on the profile, biotech and medical research, those are the riskiest stocks that I've seen. So I'm going to be very careful with biotech. All right. I got burned in biotech before. I don't want to do it again. I'm just going to be very careful. I'm going to give it lots of time distance from the 5, very low K value, see if we're near the lower Keltner channel, and look to scale out at that EMA 5, all right? I'll alert in the Discord when I get in. Definitely lock in this promotional discount, 12 bucks a month. Hit day trade alerts right here to get locked in, guys, and you'll get access to everything. Swing trades and day trades. Live streams, I go live every morning through this right here. You can see my link. I go live. You can watch me. I go over the stocks that I'm looking for. It's just joining the community alone is worth the price, guys. Lock in that discount. I'll see you guys. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about HEPA. I'll be eyeing it for this week, and I'll see you in the next one.